Imagine waking up one morning and feeling like something is different. Nothing dramatic, nothing that immediately makes you think this is an emergency. Maybe you just feel more tired than usual. Maybe walking from one room to another feels harder. Maybe you sit down for a moment and wonder why your body feels heavier today. You tell yourself, I probably didn't sleep enough. Maybe I'm just getting older. Maybe I've been doing too much. And that is exactly why many heart problems in older women can be missed. For many women, life has been about taking care of everyone else. They spend years making sure their families are happy, preparing meals, supporting loved ones, and handling responsibilities without complaint. They become so used to putting others first that they sometimes ignore the small changes happening inside their own bodies. A little tiredness does not seem important. A little shortness of breath does not seem serious. A little discomfort feels like something that can wait. But sometimes the body is trying to send a message. A heart attack does not always begin the way people imagine. Many people think of a heart attack as a sudden, dramatic event where someone feels crushing chest pain and immediately knows something is wrong. But for many older women, the warning signs can be much quieter. It may begin with a feeling that is difficult to explain. A woman might say, I just don't feel like myself today. She may notice that simple activities are becoming more exhausting. Things she used to do easily suddenly require more effort. She may feel weak, unusually tired, or uncomfortable without knowing why. The hardest part is that these feelings can look like normal parts of aging. After years of working, caring, and managing life, many women accept exhaustion as something normal. They think, this is just because I am getting older. I need more rest. I will feel better tomorrow. But a sudden change in how your body feels should always be noticed. Your body knows you're normal. It knows how you usually walk, breathe, move, and feel. When something changes, even in a small way, it's worth paying attention. Sometimes the first sign of a heart problem is not pain. Sometimes it's a strange tiredness that feels different from normal fatigue. It may feel like your energy has disappeared. It may feel like your body is asking you to slow down. It may feel like everyday tasks require more effort. These moments are easy to ignore because they don't feel frightening. But many serious health problems begin with small signals. Think about a mother or grandmother who spends years saying, I'm fine. She says it when she is tired. She says it when she is uncomfortable. She says it because she does not want anyone to worry. But the people who love her would rather know what she is feeling. They would rather have a conversation today than wish they had noticed the signs earlier. A heart attack is not only about the heart, it affects the entire body. The heart is responsible for sending oxygen-rich blood everywhere. When the heart struggles, the body may respond in different ways. That is why symptoms can appear as tiredness, breathing problems, weakness, dizziness, or unusual discomfort. The message is not to live in fear. The message is to become aware. Your health deserves the same attention you give to everyone else. If your body feels different, listen. If your energy suddenly changes, notice. If something doesn't feel right, do not ignore it. Because sometimes the most important warning signs are not loud. Sometimes they are quiet. Sometimes they arrive as a simple feeling that says something is not normal. And recognizing that feeling may give you the chance to protect the moments that matter most. More family conversations, more celebrations, more laughter, and more memories with the people you love. Your heart works silently every second of your life. Learning to listen to its warnings is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself.
For many women, one of the most confusing things about a heart attack is that it may not feel the way they expect. There is a common image that a heart attack always comes with unbearable chest pain, but real life is often different. Sometimes the signs are quiet. Sometimes they feel like something ordinary. A woman may be sitting at home, preparing a meal, watching television, or spending time with family when she suddenly notices a strange feeling. Maybe there is pressure in her chest. Maybe it feels heavy, uncomfortable, or tight. It may not even feel like pain. She might think, maybe it is just stress. Maybe I ate something wrong. Maybe it will go away. And because the feeling is not always dramatic, she may wait. But the heart does not always send a clear message. Sometimes it sends signals that can be mistaken for other problems. A woman may feel discomfort in her upper back and think she slept in the wrong position. She may feel pain in her jaw and think it is a dental issue. She may feel a burning sensation and believe it is only heartburn. These reactions are understandable because these symptoms are familiar. Most people have experienced tiredness, stomach problems, or muscle pain before. The challenge is knowing when something feels different from normal. Your body has a way of communicating with you. It remembers your usual patterns. It knows how you normally feel during a walk, while doing chores, or during everyday activities. When something changes suddenly, that change matters. Imagine a woman who has always been active. She takes care of her home, enjoys her morning walks, and stays busy with the people she loves. Then one day, she notices that she becomes tired much faster. She thinks, I'm just having a difficult week. But days pass and the feeling remains. She notices she is more short of breath. She feels weaker than usual. She does not have the same energy. These signs can be easy to overlook because they don't always feel like an emergency. Many women are used to being strong for others. They are often the ones who say, "Don't worry about me." They may continue their day even when their body is asking them to slow down. But caring for yourself is also a way of caring for the people around you. The people who love you do not want you to ignore your health. They want more time with you. They want more conversations, more memories, and more ordinary moments together. A heart attack can also bring symptoms like nausea, sweating, dizziness, or a feeling of weakness. Some women describe a sense that something is wrong before they understand what is happening. That feeling should not be ignored. It does not mean every uncomfortable moment is a heart attack. Many symptoms can come from many different causes, but new, unusual, or severe symptoms deserve attention. One of the biggest dangers is waiting too long because the symptoms don't match the picture people have in their minds. A woman might think, I'm not having chest pain, so it cannot be my heart. But heart problems do not always follow the same pattern for everyone. Every person is different. Every body tells its story in a different way. This is why awareness matters so much. Knowing that heart attack symptoms can be subtle helps people recognize changes earlier. It encourages women to speak up when something feels unusual instead of dismissing it. Sometimes the most important question is not, is this serious enough? The better question is this normal for me? If the answer is no, it's worth paying attention. The heart is an incredible part of the human body. It works constantly through every happy moment, every challenge, every memory, and every day of life. It deserves to be listened to. A small warning today may prevent a bigger problem tomorrow. The goal is not fear, the goal is awareness, because sometimes the difference between ignoring a symptom and recognizing it is the difference between losing precious time and getting the help needed. Your body is always communicating. Sometimes it speaks loudly,
Sometimes it speaks softly. The important thing is learning how to listen.
Many families have a person like this. A woman who always seems strong. The person everyone depends on. She is the one who remembers birthdays, prepares meals, checks on everyone, and makes sure the family is okay. She has spent years caring for others, often putting her own needs at the bottom of the list. When she feels tired, she does not always talk about it. When something feels uncomfortable, she may ignore it. She may say, "I'm okay. It's nothing. I just need some rest," because that is what she has always done. She keeps going. But sometimes, the strongest people are the ones who need someone to notice them too. Imagine a grandmother sitting quietly after doing a simple task. She looks a little more tired than usual. She takes longer to catch her breath. She does not laugh as much. She does not have the same energy she had before. Her family may notice small changes. "You seem tired today." And she smiles and says, "I'm fine." But inside, her body may be trying to say something important. The difficult thing about heart problems is that the warning signs do not always arrive in a way that scares us. Sometimes they appear as small changes that we explain away. A person may think, "I'm just getting older. I have been busy. I didn't sleep well." And sometimes those things are true. But when your body starts feeling different from your normal, it deserves attention. Many older women are very good at taking care of everyone around them, but not as comfortable asking for care themselves. They don't want to interrupt anyone's life. They don't want to create worry. They may think, "My family already has enough to handle." But the truth is, the people who love you do not see your health as a burden. They see you as someone precious. They would rather sit beside you during a doctor's visit than wish they had taken your concerns seriously. They would rather hear you say something feels wrong than hear later that you ignored the warning signs. The human body is not a machine that suddenly breaks without warning. Often it gives small signals first. A change in energy, a change in breathing, a new feeling of discomfort, a feeling that something is not quite right. These moments matter. Think about all the memories that are built from ordinary days. A morning conversation over tea, a family meal, a phone call with someone you love, a walk outside on a beautiful day. We often do not realize how valuable these simple moments are until we are reminded how important our health is. Taking care of your heart is not only about avoiding illness, it is about protecting those moments. It is about having the strength and energy to continue living the life you enjoy. Sometimes people ignore symptoms because they believe they have to be strong all the time. But strength is not pretending everything is fine. Real strength is paying attention. Real strength is saying, "I know my body and something feels different." Real strength is asking for help when you need it. A heart attack can happen differently for different people. Some people have obvious symptoms. Others experience signs that are easier to miss. That is why awareness is so important. The person who always takes care of everyone else deserves care too. The mother who supported her family, the grandmother who shared her wisdom, the woman who spent years giving love to others. Her heart has carried more than just blood through her body. It has carried emotions, memories, laughter, and love. Every heartbeat represents another moment of life, and every moment is worth protecting. So if you notice changes in yourself or someone you love, do not simply brush them away. Pay attention. Have the conversation. Seek medical advice when something feels unusual, because sometimes the smallest warning is the most important message your body will ever send. And listening to that message
can help protect the future moments that matter most.
Taking care of your heart is not only about preventing a serious health problem, it is about protecting the life you still want to experience. It is about waking up in the morning with energy. It is about enjoying time with the people you love. It is about being present for the small moments that often become the most precious memories. Many people think heart health requires huge changes that are difficult to maintain, but often it is the small choices repeated every day that create the biggest difference. A short walk in the morning, choosing a healthier meal, taking time to rest, keeping regular health appointments, listening to your body. These simple actions are not just habits, they are acts of kindness toward yourself. For many years, women often spend their lives caring for others. They take care of children, partners, parents, and families. They remember everyone's needs and often forget their own. But your heart deserves the same love and attention you give to the people around you. Imagine being able to enjoy more family gatherings. Imagine laughing with your grandchildren. Imagine sitting with the people you love and creating new memories. Protecting your heart means protecting those future moments. One of the most powerful things you can do is understand your own health. Knowing your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels can help you make better decisions. Many heart problems develop slowly over time. Regular checkups give you a chance to understand what is happening inside your body before a small issue becomes a bigger concern. Your health is not something to think about only when something goes wrong. It is something to care for every day. Food also plays an important role. The meals we choose can support our heart and our overall health. Adding more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and other nutritious foods can help support the body. It does not mean every meal has to be perfect. Health is not about perfection. It is about progress. A small improvement today can become a powerful habit over time. Movement is another gift you can give your heart. You do not have to be an athlete. Simple activities like walking, gentle stretching, or staying active throughout the day can help your body stay stronger. Movement is not only good for the heart, it can also improve mood, energy, and confidence. Sometimes people stop being active because they feel they're too old or it is too late to make changes. But the heart responds to care at every stage of life. Every healthy choice matters. Managing stress is also important. Life brings responsibilities, worries, and difficult moments. Stress is a normal part of being human, but finding healthy ways to handle it can support overall well-being. Talking with loved ones, spending time doing things you enjoy, getting enough sleep, taking moments to relax. These are not selfish actions. They are ways of protecting yourself. A healthy heart helps you continue being the person your family loves. There is also something powerful about paying attention to your body's signals. Many people know their cars need maintenance. They notice strange sounds and take action. Our bodies deserve the same attention. If something feels different, do not ignore it. A change in your energy, a change in your breathing, a new discomfort, these are messages worth noticing. The goal is not to live with fear, it is to live with awareness. A strong heart is not only about adding years to life, it is about adding life to those years. It is about having the strength to enjoy your favorite activities, spend time with loved ones, and continue creating meaningful memories. Every heartbeat is a reminder that your body is working for you. It has carried you through every challenge, every celebration, and every important moment. Now, it is your turn to take care of it. Your heart has supported you your entire life. Give it the care, attention, and respect it deserves.
There is a message that every person should remember. Your body is always communicating with you. Sometimes it speaks through energy, sometimes through discomfort, sometimes through changes that feel small but different. The challenge is that we often ignore the quiet messages. We are busy, we have responsibilities, we tell ourselves that tomorrow will be a better day. But when it comes to the heart, paying attention matters. A heart attack does not always arrive with a dramatic warning. It does not always look like the scenes we see in movies. Sometimes there is no obvious moment where everything stops. Sometimes the warning signs are much softer. A feeling of unusual tiredness, a sudden change in breathing, a strange pressure, a sense that something is not normal. These moments can be easy to dismiss, but your body knows you better than anyone. You know what feels normal for you. You know how your energy usually feels. You know how your body responds to daily activities. You know when something has changed. That connection with your own body is important. Many women spend years caring for others. They become the person everyone calls when they need help. They give advice, comfort, and support. But sometimes the person who gives the most love forgets to give love back to herself. A woman may ignore her own symptoms because she is thinking about everyone else. She may think, "I'll handle it later. I don't want to worry my family. I have too much to do." But your health is not an inconvenience. Your life matters. The people who love you do not want only what you can do for them. They want your presence. They want your voice, your stories, your smile, and your time. Taking care of yourself allows you to continue sharing those beautiful moments. There is no perfect age to start caring more about your heart. Every day is an opportunity. Every walk, every healthier choice, every medical checkup, every moment you choose to listen to yourself. These choices are small acts of protection. A healthy heart is not only about avoiding disease, it is about living fully. It is about being able to sit with your family and enjoy a conversation. It is about celebrating another birthday. It is about creating memories that become priceless. Sometimes we only realize how valuable ordinary moments are when something threatens to take them away. A simple cup of tea with someone you love, a peaceful morning, a family gathering, a shared laugh. These moments are the real treasures of life, and protecting your heart helps protect those moments. The most important thing is not to panic about every feeling. The important thing is awareness. Do not ignore symptoms that feel unusual. Do not assume every change is just aging. Do not be afraid to ask questions about your health. Listening to your body is not weakness, it is wisdom. Your heart has been working silently since the day you were born. Through every happy memory, through every difficult moment, through every challenge you overcame. It has continued beating for you. Now it is your responsibility to care for it. Remember, the strongest people are not always the ones who ignore their struggles. Sometimes the strongest people are the ones who recognize when they need attention and take action. Your heart is not asking for perfection. It is asking for care. So listen to the signals, notice the changes, value your health. Because every heartbeat represents another chance to love, laugh, and live. The warning signs may sometimes be quiet, but your response can be powerful. Protect your heart. Protect your future. Protect the moments that make life meaningful.